How to fix fingerprint not showing on a device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first option is restart your device. Keep holding the power button and restart menu will appear. Select restart and restart your device and see if this fixes your issue. If your issue still persists, open up your settings on your device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on System and Updates. Now click on Backup and Reset. Now tap on Reset Phone. You can either reset your phone or tap on Reset All Settings to reset all the settings on your device. After resetting, check if your fingerprint is available on or not. If it's still not available, go back. Now tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Device Unlock. Now select Fingerprint. Now tap on Fingerprint. Now enter your password. Now set up your fingerprint and restart your device. I hope this would fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.